Chicken and halloumi. You need for this: 1 packet of egg noodles or rice noodles, 1 handful of roughly chopped mushrooms, 1 handful of spinach, 1 handful of cashew nuts, 400 grams of diced chicken breast, 100 grams of sliced halloumi, 1 handful of chia seeds, 1 handful of bean sprouts, 2 baby corns, and 1 packet of sauce. Grab a large wok, turn the heat up, and pour in around a tablespoon of cooking oil, rapeseed, olive, sesame, sunflower, whatever you prefer. Add the chicken to the wok. Once cooked, drain the juice from the chicken off, then place the chicken in a bowl and set it aside for the time being. Then add the mushrooms, baby corns, and halloumi to the wok. Let them fry for a couple of minutes before adding all of the other ingredients. Mix the ingredients together and then re-add the chicken. Mix everything until it is well combined. Once cooked, it's ready to serve.